in there.
तो ये थोड़ा surprising है what you are saying, because Bhansali is known for depth in his characters. If you talk to the actors who worked with him, maybe this was a series and there were episodes, so I don't know how different this was as far as shooting is concerned. लेकिन बंसाली जी तो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जो उनको शॉट जो चाहिए वैसा नहीं मिलता है, तब तक ही इज़ नॉट हैप्पी एंड यू नो ही इज़ वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट व्हाट ही वांट्स. तो फिर इसमें कैसे ऐसे हो गया? तो वो खुद नहीं आपको डायरेक्ट करते थे या बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी एक्टर्स तो किसी और को बोला गया था इनको समझाइए? हाउ?
I think it was a mix of everything. Definitely, as you said, it's his first time in web. So I think web and film is a little bit different because obviously web is very stretched. You've got a lot of episodes to make, so it's not made in a short time. I think it took him almost 2.5, 3 years to complete this project. So I think, yeah, there's just a lot of different nuances that he also wasn't directing that much. I had other directors with me. So maybe it was there. I don't know. I just felt like we could have worked on it a little bit more. And I think a lot more color could have come out. It had the capacity, I feel, for a lot more.
should have done far better than
Yeah.
it did.
Yeah.
ओके. मुझे आपके कैरेक्टर का थोड़ा और पूछना है. कार्टराइट जो कैरेक्टर था आपका, तो ये कैरेक्टर पे मुझे ये पूछना है कि यू आर प्लेइंग एन इंग्लिशमैन, राइट? तो जैसे ये जो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी होगी, हम अगर पढ़ेंगे तो हमको तो लगेगा कि नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर है. अभी आपका एक, आई नो यू सेड कि यू फील मोर इंडियन, लेकिन आपका एक ब्रिटिश साइड भी है. तो आपको ऐसे कैरेक्टर एक दोनों साइड से आप देखते हो उसको कि प्रॉब्ली वो जो सोच रहा है आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेयर ही इज कमिंग फ्रॉम, ऐसा आपको थॉट आता है?
बहुत आता है. Actually, I have, see, again, it's up to the director.
Yeah.
And it's all in his hands. But there are certain moves that, especially I played quite a few of these British officers.
Yeah.
So I've sat around a lot of sets where बहुत history के बारे में बहुत बात की हुई. You know, because producers are coming and saying, no, but remember, we have to keep this because British उस ज़माने में यही करता था. So there definitely is a lot. There's some places where I thought I could have made much, much stronger choices. And maybe given the freedom to do those things, maybe those things would have come off again in a better, stronger way.
For Cartwright you are saying
For
this?
Cartwright. I think for any character. And I think
आपको
that,
क्या लगता है what is it that in Cartwright's character while playing कि आपको ये चीज़ करनी थी, ये नहीं कर पाया, या ये साइड एक्सप्लोर करनी थी, you didn't do it? What was it?
I think what didn't happen was again the depth of the character. क्योंकि अगर आप गांधी जो बेन किंग्सली में बहुत फेमस मूवी था, in there they really show one point of, you know, how far racism can go, or the dichotomy between who someone thinks they are and another human being, you know, and that was very well played out in this one scene where an Indian goes into the shadow of an Englishman and the Englishmen, you know, abuse him because of that, because that was their way of thinking that you don't even have तेरा औकात ही नहीं है मेरे मतलब छाव में खड़ा रहने के लिए. So that's something that I think then that's the depth of the character. कि अगर Cartwright वो चीज़ थोड़ा और से मतलब लेके आया तो शायद I think people would have been more scared of me than they are already.
तो आपने ये चीज़ बताई संजय बंसाली को कि
I think I said enough. I think I would have become a problem maker if I would have said more. So yeah, after a while I think you just like, okay, this is
उनका ये विजन है, लेकिन
yeah.